it's Danielle with Bo Peeps Bonnets. In today's video, I want to show you how to pick up stitches from a cast on or bound off edge. The technique is the same in both circumstances. And you might use this for a lot of things. You might want to put a visor on a hat like I'm doing today. You might want to pick up stitches from a scarf to create a hood. Or you might want to pick up stitches around the collar of a sweater to knit a turtleneck onto it. So it's a great, easy technique to learn, and let's get right into it. So I'm making the Peaceful Purl hat today, which is a free pattern on our charity website. I'll go ahead and throw that website up on the screen. So I've knit the hat, and now I need to pick up 20 stitches using the US 13 circular needles. So what I need to do is find the edge of the hat and find my cast on edge is right here. And all I'm going to do, guys, is stick my needle into that stitch. I'm going to take some new yarn and I'm just going to pull it through. Now let's pick up the next one. Insert it into that stitch. Get your new yarn, just as if you're knitting this stitch, and pull it through. Let's go again. That's really all there is to it, my friends. There I have picked up 3 stitches. Let me zoom in on this really close and we'll do some more stitches together. Okay guys, I'm zoomed in really close, so let's do a few more together. So find that next cast on stitch. Get your yarn, loop it around as if to knit, and just knit it. And you're just going to keep doing that. So basically all you're doing here is picking up the cast on stitch and knitting it. Now I need to pick up 20 stitches to make the Peaceful Purl hat. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Well, there we have it, my friends. We've successfully picked up 20 stitches from the edge of our hat, and now we're ready to knit the visor. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you have a great day and happy knitting. Bye.